Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making chicken birria tacos. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and give it a big thumbs up. To start off, in a really large pot, you want to boil some water and add in your chicken breast. You can use chicken thighs, but I prefer chicken breast. It was easy to shred up later. But now I'm also adding in my tomatoes and chilies. I cannot pronounce half of these chilies, so I will leave the full recipe down below in the description box. I'm also adding a really large onion. Once the veggies soften up, you want to add it to a blender, and to it we'll be adding our garlic, peppercorn, and crushed up whole cloves, and also we'll be adding our seasonings. I will be leaving it down below in the description box. And here I have about 3 cups of that same water we used to boil the chilies and chicken. Once you blend it, we are straining it and adding it back in with the chicken. You don't have to strain it, but if you don't, it's really spicy. I just want to put it out there that this may not be as authentic as possible. It was my first time ever making birria tacos. I know most of the time they use the beef, but I don't really like beef like that, so I use chicken, and it still turned out really good. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any helpful tips for me, leave it down in the comments below. Now I'm adding a little more of Kinder seasoning and a little bit of sazon. And now once the chicken is cooked, it took about an hour and a half, I'm taking them out to shred it. I did shred it off camera because I just couldn't get a good angle on it. But once you take out the chicken, shred it up, and we'll put it back into the sauce. And once you add it back into the sauce, give it a good mix and then taste it to see if it needs any more seasonings. Now for the fun part, we make the tacos in a pan, add some oil, and then you want to dip your taco into the sauce, put it in the pan, add whatever cheese you like. Get a little bit of the chicken, and then get your cilantro and onion mix. I already cut that, put it to the side, and now just fold it up and cook it for about, I'll say 15 to 30 seconds per side. Depends on how high your heat is. Add them on a medium low, and that's really it. And then you can grab some sauce and kind of like pour on top. But yeah, you just keep repeating the same process until you're done, or you make however much you want. But these turned out really good. I was afraid they wouldn't because it was my first time, but I really enjoyed it and my family loved them as well. So I will be making these again really soon. The key to having these turn out the way you want is to make sure you grease up your pan. The first one I did, it turned out really good, and I tried not to grease it up because this is a non-stick pan. But it doesn't matter if it's non-stick or not, you still need to grease up your pan, or else they will stick to it and they won't turn out how you want them to. So I highly suggest to grease up the pan. But other than that, it was really good. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And also follow me on Instagram at Handy Cooks. But thank you and bye.